So here we are at New Orleans International, and pretty much uneventful. Our flight was backed up a little bit, delayed a little bit, but it's not bad. We're gonna board about 5:15 or so, and we should be in Orlando around 8:15, 8:30. And we've already got notification that our room at Old Key West is already ready, so we'll better go straight to the room, so that's nice. So yeah, everything's pretty good so far. No big problems or anything like that. Everything's going according to plan, so we will give you probably one more update later on tonight from Old Key West. So we'll see you on the next one. All right, we just got here. We're gonna do a quick, super quick little tour of room 2810. This, of course, is part of the DVC, Disney Vacation Club. This is at Old Key West. And this is a studio. So it's gonna be pretty small, as you can see. Of course, you've got your amazing artwork on the walls. All right, and there we go. We got plenty of outlets here. And you got two nice beds. One there, and one there. And I'm gonna swing around over here. And there's the Bouquet family. And good storage. More artwork here on the wall. All right, and then we're gonna go right over here. And a little kitchenette area, microwave, toaster, coffee, and fridge. And there's your closet area there. All right, and then your bathroom. This was the original DVC. This was the original, the first Vacation Club Resort, Old Key West. And they have done a really good job of renovating and refreshing over the years. And you know, it's not super fancy, but it's absolutely adequate and very nice. And there's our gratuitous toilet shot. So there you go, 2810 DVC Studio.